Starting around 23 October 2023, Jasmy coin for the most part is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally enormous manner. Jasmy most certainly has an extremely all-out market cap of $163,481,408, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,781,176, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This especially makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, for the most part positioning at 152 in the digital money market. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin fundamentally be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Jasmy coin an especially wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly? Will Jasmy cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which all things considered is very huge? These generally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost fundamentally is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $0.005, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to especially be $0.004 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Jasmy can, all things considered, arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.005. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.004, which really is very critical. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.004, with a base cost of around $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value Jasmy can by and large stretch around $0.004 for September, exhibiting that will Jasmy cost generally outperform its unequaled high? Jasmy coin value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for Jasmy coin could generally stretch around $0.005 in an exceptionally significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 especially is $0.004, with a really normal cost of $0.004 in a for the most part large manner. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin sort of is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of $0.004 in an especially significant manner. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.005, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around $0.004 in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $0.004 in December 2023 in a huge way. The Jasmy cost could by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.005, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Jasmy coin certainly passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been in a real sense diminished by 0.01% in its sort of current worth, which basically shows that Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is anticipated to explicitly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.004 in December 2023 in a kind of significant way. Assuming we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap really is likewise down in a very significant manner. Jasmy coin in a real sense is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a for the most part enormous manner. The Jasmy in a real sense is down to nearly 6.42% over the most recent 7 days, showing how this by and large makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, essentially positioning at 152 in the digital currency market, or so they in a real sense thought. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for essentially past truly couple of days. The coin could especially areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in present moment, which truly shows that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Jasmy cost for the most part is supposed to really cross a normal value level of $0.005, the normal certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to by and large be $0.004 in a very significant manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy really diminished by 51.376%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.004 from its extremely current worth in an essentially enormous manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a great for the most part purchase and open door for speedy interest in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 36.37%, and the cost especially circled from an extremely least exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 to in every practical sense, greatest truly normal cost of $0.005 in the for the most part beyond 90 days, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin generally is somewhere near 7.44%, with the most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin basically was around $0.003, and the by and large least really normal cost of certainly was around $0.003 in every practical sense, recent months in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Jasmy coin especially worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Jasmy cost basically is estimated to especially arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.005, with especially least cost of $0.004 toward the finish of 2023, showing how Jasmy really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $163,481,408, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,781,176, which truly is very huge. Does Jasmy coin for the most part have a future in every way that really matters, significant way? As far as value, Jasmy coin especially has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to really arrive at new levels, which especially is genuinely huge. It fundamentally is estimate that Jasmy will increment in esteem, showing how does Jasmy coin sort of have a future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can stir things up around town of the most exorbitant cost of $0.025.